On today's episode we have the back of the can, we have solvent based paint stripper. So those of you that can remember back in the day, we used to have something called Nitromores. Now that stuff was proper man strength stripper. I don't like the way this can's blown up. It looks like it might explode in my face. So, gosh, yes it did. That was risque. So as you can see, this is a brand new can, and oh, that smell. This has got all the ingredients that the namby-pamby greenies have removed from the UK. So, those of you of a certain age will remember and miss full strength Nitromores. So let's have a little trip down memory lane, shall we? Let's get some of this bad boy fucking stripper in action. Now the interesting thing about this bike is, although it's black and there are stickers on it saying black from the factory, the tank and this mudguard were actually green. I mean, how odd is that? Now look at this, you will not get this from today's paint stripper. People, look at it. It is doing, it is doing what we paid for it to do, and the side effect is, yes, I've got it in my face, I've got it in my face. Yeah, you get it out. You get it on places you don't want it, you will know about it. This stuff is nasty. So this is pretty much gonna do it in about 2 or 3 hits, I reckon. This is good paint. I thought this was just rattle can black, but it's not. This is actually a proper paint that's been applied on here. And it ain't just falling off. Well, it is actually falling off, but not as easily as rattle can paint. Rattle can paint, you can fart on it and it'll come off. Well, this stuff's giving me a bit of a fight. But this is a genuine Kawasaki mudguard, so as they're no longer available, we're going to make the effort to try and claim it back. Oh, it's all up my arm. Right. Now, I don't really want it to eat into the plastic too much, so I'm going to call time on this any second now. And stop the burning. Right, that's it. Round 1. Ah, yeah, fire, fire. Suppose we better hose the yard down, otherwise the cats are going to be dancing as well. There you go. Look at that, eh? 1 hit.